Hey everyone, welcome again. So, in this lecture, I'm gonna give you a little intro, a little brush up of how this ad thing works. So, folks, what is an ad? An ad is basically a product which is being advertised. Someone has paid some money to the online thing or some site or billboards, and the ad is being shown. But can we create an ad with AI? That is the big question right now. How to create an ad with AI and that too for free and literally like everything from A to Z. Instead of paying some outsider hundreds and thousands of dollars or hundreds and thousands of euros, can you do it for free for your own brand? If you have a cafe, if you have a I don't know hardware store or maybe anything plumbing service, can you do it for free? Well, the answer is yes, a big yes from your dear instructor. So here's the thing, folks. There's this plugin or extension, whatever you call it, called Best Ever Ad Maker. It can help you put ads, create images, and all of that. And all you need to do is just take that ad, put it in Google AdWords or Facebook or TikTok or whatever ad platform you're using, and put the money and run the ads. That's it. Because it's been created by AI, so technically you will have an edge over the people who are not using AI and using manual ad making techniques. I'm saying you'll have an edge, but that doesn't mean you'll definitely have an edge. You might have an edge because AI works better than humans in a lot of spheres, including ads. So we are going to play with this in the next one, which is going to be super fun. See you there. Hey everyone, welcome again. So here we have our best, what is that? Best ever ad maker. Yeah, whatever. It's the self-claimed best ever ad maker. Let's see if it really delivers or it's just a fugazi. Remember the word fugazi from the Wolf of Wall Street? If you have not watched that movie, pause me, watch that movie, and then come back, watch this lecture again. Okay, so folks, here I am on Amazon from our country's Amazon, which is Amazon.in. So, folks, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this link, which is the Bose headphone link, and I am going to put this on the extension or on the plugin in ChatGPT 4. Folks, here's the thing. In here, we have Bose for 22,000 rupees, which is 20,000 rupees exactly, which is under 300 bucks in American dollars. So we are going to put this thing here, and the moment we do that, we will ask it to create an ad, and I'll say create an ad with this link. So I'll put in the link and I'll put enter, and it'll create an ad. It's a very good prompt. It's a basic prompt, and I've put the link. So GPT literally has all the informations it needs, and maybe within a few seconds we'll have a great ad popped up. Now folks, once you have an ad popped up, that doesn't mean that is the final ad. You just keep arguing with, or maybe keep questioning, cross questioning GPT, just like you do with your friend or with your family members or with your colleagues or with your job seniors, juniors, whatever. Keep discussing, keep brainstorming ideas, and let the best thing come out. The more you work with this AI model, the better for you. And while I'm talking all of these things, it's taking a little more time to make it because it's an ad. And if it takes a few minutes and creates a really wonderful ad, it's worth it. It's worth paying thousands and thousands of dollars to someone who'll make an ad for your product. And it doesn't guarantee whether or think the ad will work or not, whether or not even the money will be made back, the money that you spent in the ad. It's worth trying, or maybe putting this thing in GPT. Now, folks, all those people who run ad agencies and all of that, my full respect to you all, my love to you all. But here's the thing, if you're running an ad agency and you're using this tool as well, you will do more good than ever. It seems that there was an issue fetching the product details and provided a link. To proceed, you can provide a specific image link along with the product name and brief description. This information, okay. So it wants me to give an image link. Fine. So I will, give me a moment. So I need to copy image link. So here is the image link, and it is Bose headphones. Create a solid ad for me on that. So folks, I gave the link. It is a JPG, and I said it's a Bose headphones and create a solid ad for me. Sometimes, folks, it happens. Some links don't work, as I've said. If you live in the US, you're pretty much lucky that most probably everything I've showed you will work for you very fine. But you live in some other countries, probably you need to adjust a bit because we are really in the very early days of AGI. So we need to see that properly. Maybe it's gonna come up, maybe it's gonna not come up. I don't know. I think it should come up. If it doesn't come up, I'm gonna show you with ChatGPT 4, not to worry about that. But if it does come up, I'll be really happy because it'll save me a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time, no problem. If the problem persists, we'll try our backend way, which would definitely work for sure with GPT-4. Let's see. So, folks, here after waiting for literally 2 minutes, actually, because I can't keep you waiting for 2 minutes, obviously, this is what I got from them. It was the project for creating ads is still processing, and some ads are not ready. Some assets are not ready yet. What do you want me to do? Want me to wait, or you want me to proceed? I said do it anyway, or it was anyway. So they made the ad within a few seconds, and they said you can edit with this button, and you can view the ad in this button. You ready to do that? 3, 2, 1, go. So we are gonna view that ad, and let's see how that works. Okay, so that's a file maybe. Okay, let's see how that file comes up. It is, oh wow, this is superb, guys. This is so cool. I gave it the picture and it basically made the graphics. Oh, so it already imagined that it's going to be maybe an Instagram ad or maybe a TikTok ad. That is the dimensions are, I don't know, maybe what is that? 1080 by 1920 maybe the pixels. These are dimensions. So this Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, unparalleled noise cancellation experience, sound superior. So this is going to be the ad button. This is fantastic, guys. Like, seriously, this is fantastic. If it took some time, it was worth it because it made a pretty good job. It did a good job. I don't know how just it got this picture and this got this picture and this is pretty much good. Pretty good. Really good. So yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And you can edit your ad here. I don't need to edit it because I'm really good with that. And it looks quite professional. You would have paid someone hundreds of dollars to get that thing done, but it did it for free. So be grateful. Okay, so it's asking me to sign up. I'll not sign up. But guys, that was really, really, really good. That was really good. So that was it for this one, folks. And maybe we'll open this one more time to see it again. And that was it from this lecture. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.